body rolling. I do a good share of body rolling. What the heck? Do I look like a Filipino Johnny Depp? I'm trying to give this mustache a chance. It's giving me father. Damn. With facial hair, I do look a lot older. What's up, y'all? It's your boy JRE. It's been a minute. You know I love me some R&B. I always look forward to like any R&B part in K-pop. But right now, we're gonna play some body rolls on Twitch. Some K-pop body rolls, some K-R&B. If you down with that, come through while I'm live right now. Like I said, I do go live stream almost every day. So if you don't catch this one, you can catch the next one on Saturday. I feel like all this body rolling gave me like lower back problems, not gonna lie. But right now, we're live on Twitch right now. If you can't make it, please recommend some R&B K-pop tracks or like some K-R&B that you think I should like give a listen. Or you could just like, whoever wants to just share like their top R&B, K-R&B type of tracks, or K-pop songs that just make you body roll. I'm live right now, go check it out. Link in the description. Go click it. Go click the link. Twitch. Let's go. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.